Hey guys, you're welcome back to another video. So in today's video guys, I will be showing you how to double your cluster lashes to get this perfect mega volume set. If this sounds like what you'll be interested in, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share this video, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. And finally, don't forget to subscribe and click the post notification bell to know anytime I post a new video. So guys, firstly, you see you have to brush your eyebrow to detangle any tangled parts, and then you carefully apply your gum. You can see the two glue that I used. I usually mix these two glue together, like they are very strong. Like when you mix these two glue together, oh god guys, you'll be begging those lashes to fall out. Like, so this is my process. Firstly, I start by applying the first set. So you guys are just going to watch closely and see how I apply my sets in order to, especially when you can look very closely, you can see below my waterline. You make sure you don't get close to your water lines, because if you anything that takes you to your water lines, trust me, you're going to shed tears until you remove all the lashes. Like, I'm not even joking. I'm not even joking at all. Sometimes when you're done fixing lash extensions or normal cluster lashes or whatever type of lashes, and then you don't feel comfortable, you're feeling like water tears coming out from your eyes, it is because of your water lines. You've messed with your water lines. So it's either you start the job afresh or you just remove the lashes totally and then rest. So the first tip is to not get close to your water lines. Make sure your your cluster lashes is properly set. If it's not set while it is not dry, you can take it off and install it back. You can take it off and apply it back again instead of leaving it there to dry. Is it that if it's not sitting properly, it is going to fall out. So guys, I am done with this eye. If you look at the other eye, you will see that it is giving the mega look, mega volume. So we're going to go back to this one. So this is just, it is a very simple step. It's just like repeating the same process again, right? You just double it all the way to the end. There's nothing hard in doubling your cluster lashes. If you can be able to apply the first line, this line will be very easy and fast, I promise you. Where the work is the first line, applying the first line, trying to avoid your water lines. But since you've already run one line, this second one, you just follow the process from the first. So this is pretty simple. I mean, if you're a DIY girly and you know how to apply your cluster lashes, I mean, doing this double method shouldn't be a problem. It should be very easy for you to achieve. So this is why I am giving you guys a good zoom so that you can see how it is going. And so guys, if you've not subscribed to this channel and you've watched this video so far, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, share this video so that others looking for how to do this can see the video and then learn from it, just like you are doing right now. So guys, this is a final look. Let me know if this is giving the mega look, because I'm not even a mega girly. Like, I like my volume or maybe just classic sets, but I decided to try it and see how it's going to come out. And I'm not going to lie, I like the full look. I mean, if anybody sees me from afar, they will know that, this girl, you have lashes. Oh no. So guys, thank you for watching to this part. If you watched to this part, please drop I love you in the comment section, because I love you too. And thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Bye. Tell me